village. We're doing an episode here, very informative episode. But and how indlela yesintu kwelapha has been modernized, and how it's still effective, and how we lost it in the transition of that area whereby of our ancestors to the colonization area and post apartheid area in our South African context. So right now I'm in this Ukukastana's heart. So keep watching, subscribe, like, comment, follow us on TikTok, on Instagram, it's Chilling with the Zulu Man, and on YouTube, it's Chilling with the Zulu Man podcast. And on Spotify as well, it is Chilling with the Zulu Man podcast, and on Apple Podcast. Yes, I am the Zulu Man. Danko.